So with this experiment you'll need a lamp, a meter ruler and a lens holder. You'll also need a lens. Final thing you need, or the final two things, are something called an image former, which looks like this. Okay, it's just a black piece of card or two black pieces of card with a wire in the middle, and you'll need a white piece of paper to act as a screen. So the first thing to do is find out the focal length of your lens, and to do that you put the lens towards the window and then you focus it on your screen. Okay, when it comes into exact focus you measure the distance between the lens and the screen. Okay, so this one I already know in the box it says 10 centimeters, but this one it focuses when the screen is about 10 centimeters away from the lens, just looking at the image in the window. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to see how the image varies at different distances from when the object is placed at different distances from the lens. Okay, so firstly put the lens in the lens holder and put that in the middle of your meter ruler at about 50 centimeters. Okay, then have a few labels. So these say F and 2F. F would be one focal length away from the lens, 2F would be two focal lengths. So in this case F would be 10 centimeters and 2F would be 20 centimeters. Okay, then you're going to place your object at different distances from the lens. To do this you'll need to put your light on, and the main light in the classroom should be switched off. So you put your image former in front of the light, okay, and that should shine it through this hole here, and then you put your screen the other side of the lens and you should get a dot up here. Okay, try and focus it. Alright, so this is exactly focused. So this is beyond 2F and you can see the image. Okay, it's actually, it looks quite a lot smaller than the real size of that hole. Okay, you can measure it to make sure, but it looks smaller. You want to work out if it's inverted or upright. To do that, because the image looks the same upside down and right way up, you can put your finger or a pencil down from the top. Okay, so this one, although I'm moving my finger down from the top, the image over here, it looks like my finger's coming up from the bottom, so this image must be inverted. Okay, and because it can be projected onto a screen, you can see that it must be a real image. Okay, then what you do is you move your image former to a different distance, e.g. at 2F. Okay, between 2F and F, at F, okay, where it's very hard to get an image, almost impossible, and then closer than F. You can then try that for different distances from the you can try that for different lenses. Okay, so this one was a 10 centimeter focal length. Okay, you could try it for a 15 centimeter focal length, a 20 centimeter focal length. The results should be consistent.